Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix you submitted an appeal Instagram. So if you open your Instagram and you see this notification, this probably means some sort of a things. So the reason why you're receiving this, you have to keep in mind that IG may permanently or has the right to permanently delete an account for persistently breaking the terms of use or community guidelines. You can try to overturn the decision if you believe that your account was disabled in error by launching the application. So I'm going to show you here some of the methods and how to simply fix this. You have submitted an appeal here on Instagram. If you believe that this is just an error, the first thing you must do is you have to exit your Instagram application. And if you're using Android, you have to go to your Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, then you have to go to your App Store. So for my Android, I have to go to Play Store, and then this time you have to look for Instagram application. You have to make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram application or your Instagram application is up to date. Now, after that, you have to scroll down here and then you have to look for app support. Tap this arrow facing down and you will see more information about app support. What you're going to do here is you just have to get their email address. So copy their email address or you just have to tap this email and it will take you directly to your Gmail, or you can choose it right here. And then what you're going to do is you need to give them a specific concern about the situation. So actually, you can copy this one or you can create your own. So what you're going to do is you're making a message. You're typing a message and you want to send this to their app support. So for example, you can type this like Dear Instagram, I am facing a problem when I log in to my Instagram account or when I log in my Instagram ID or account. Instagram application doesn't accept or I cannot log in because of this. I can still see this you have submitted an appeal. So how can I remove this, or please to help me to remove this one, or please to help me to fix this. Then you can also add an image or a screenshot as a proof that you're facing this problem. So you just have to attach that image or screenshot right here. So please help me to fix this one. And then after that, you just have to click this paper plane arrow or send arrow right here. And you can also provide more information about you, such as your email address or another working email address. You can also include here your Instagram account or even your phone number, the best ways to reach you. So after that, what you're going to do is you just have to wait for their customer service team or support team to respond and help you fix this problem. While waiting, you can also proceed to another troubleshooting or another method in order for you to fix this. So another thing is that you can just simply uninstall your Instagram application, or you can tap app info and then clear cache. So once you tap this app info right here, you have to go to storage usage and then tap clear cache. Go back and see if this fixed the problem. If not, then what you're going to do here is to uninstall your Instagram application. And then once you have uninstalled this application, you have to go to your Play Store or App Store and then install this Instagram application again and log in your account and see if it fixed you submitted an appeal notification on your Instagram. If not, then what you're going to do is you just have to wait for their customer service team or support to help you with this issue. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.